Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. David Rowland Finley, president of North Central Michigan College. We're so pleased to welcome you here today. North Central Michigan College wants to take a leadership role and set a positive example regarding sustainability.
These guys had a passion, and you could tell that whatever project that they decided they wanted to do was going to turn out to be amazing.
This project fits in very nicely with Consumers Energy's triple bottom line philosophy of people, planet, and prosperity.
We see it more as an example of what happens when a group of like-minded, passionate people get together and put a goal out there and go make it happen.
This solar panel array behind me is a drop in the proverbial bucket. We believe that the ripple effect can become a tidal wave of renewable energy blanketing the North. We have the land, we have the resources, and we know the information we need to make this happen. This moment will go down in Petoskey history as a time when young leaders took it upon themselves to build the better future that this community deserves. We are not going to wait any longer for action to be taken. Our commitment to this project and to our community is just getting started. And trust us when we say that the future of renewable energy and a thriving Petoskey is bright, because we will make sure of it.
Congratulations on the first commercial solar panel array installed in the city of Petoskey. You broke the mold. All right?